Okay, folks, the new solenoid came today. This is it. As you see, it's the same as the old one. Now the deal is to get it back in. Getting the solenoid back in is not a big deal. Just, yeah, push it in and yeah, that's it. But the problem is to get this little fella here, this hairpin clip, back in. Now, the CadillacForums says use a little piece of wire which you bend around this back here and push it in. What I try is this magnet. With this magnet I can put it like this, squeeze it in without having to fear that it will fall. At least I hope so. Now let's try it. Okay, well, the new solenoid is in. As I said, I used this little magnet. As I said, it helps a lot to put the master cylinder out of your way. You have a way better look from here, from this side. Especially when it comes to the hairpin removal and installation. Also this little dental mirror comes quite handy. So yeah, those two tools really facilitated the whole job. Yeah, all that is left is reassembly and top of the flutes, put in some new ATF, and then we take it for a test drive. Okay, the side case is closed. Yeah, connector connected, and the motor mounts are back in place and fastened. Well, the next parts would be, yeah, hooking all those wires and hoses up again, replace the master cylinder, put the PCM back where it belongs, and yeah, then top off all the flutes and make a test drive. Okay, reassembly complete. All left to do is to bleed the coolant system, and after that it's time for a test drive, and hopefully the TCC lockup will work again. I will check the fault codes now, because if there still was a electrical problem with the TCC solenoid, it would even yeah, tell me now with the car here standing still, because the PCM tests those solenoids even if you don't move your vehicle. Okay, the P1860 code is gone, so yeah, time for a test drive. Okay folks, last part, test drive. The engine is warmed up. I've been driving around in town for a little while to get everything, you know, up to temperature, because the TCC only works when your engine is up to operating temperature, so it wouldn't engage sooner anyway. But now, as soon as I hit, say, 70, 80, 90 kilometers per hour, it should engage, and that's what we test now. Okay. Let's hope that all this work finally solved the problem. So well, it drives fine, so it seems I got it back all together. The way it should be. But now we need to confirm our repair. Here we go. It's working again. You can definitely feel when the lockup is engaged and when it's not, because the RPMs will stay quite the same when you accelerate, when you slightly accelerate. If there's no lockup, the RPMs will always go up 300 up, 300, 400 RPMs. Before it starts to accelerate, but this works fine now. Yeah, no problem at all. No code. Well, I will check the codes again when I come home, just to make sure that that it's fine now. But as far as I can see, the repair was successful. And so I would say, if you have this problem, don't be afraid to tackle it down, but you will need at least 1 day, better 2 days, if you work slow and you don't rush it. If you rush it, you will make mistakes. This is not your average brake job. This is really a detailed thing. You have to really pay attention to what you're doing, and you have to work very clean in a clean environment, because once you open the side cover, you basically open up the transmission, and any dirt that comes in there will give you further trouble down the road. So try to not get any dirt, debris or whatever inside the valve body housing. valve body housing. Because once you open up the tranny, it's really necessary to keep it as clean as possible. I hope you enjoyed this little repair story of mine, and basically that's it. It works fine. So repair completed. If you have any questions regarding this repair, you can of course email me, or write me on my YouTube account, or on the account in the forums, the CadillacForums.com. Okay, bye bye.